you ever
It's
had
a little
hernia
heavy.
before landed?
No? You're about to.
I have. It sucks.
We're back on the derby car again. It's a new day. We're gonna build a roll cage in it today. The roll cage serves a couple purposes. It's to keep us safe. Really, that's not the main purpose. The main purpose is to keep this car from bellying out. So we're gonna design this cage up to hang. So I'll give you an idea of what it's gonna look like. So we're gonna have a piece of 2x4 that runs this way. So this is a driver's door, this is a passenger door. Then we're gonna have a piece of 4x4 square tube that comes across it like that and ties in there. Angle gusset, angle gusset. We're also going to come off of this 2x4 down to the existing frame. It'll run straight down and tie into the car's frame rail. So something like that. The back is gonna be a little different. Then we'll put a piece across here. We'll build a gas tank protector. This is the most important part of the car. They say it's to protect the gas tank so it doesn't blow up. Really, it's so when this hump explodes, the back of the car wads up, hits this hump and never goes any farther. So that's what we're gonna do. That's the gist. We'll put braces all over in it because we're gonna get hit on this side a lot. Steering wheel will come through here. So there's our blueprint. We'll get to work.
That's pretty dang good right there.
I've built lots of these. Yeah, it's not my first time. I mean, that's gonna put my bumper, center of the bumper is gonna be 21 inches. It's looking like we need some 65-inch pieces, 2 of them.
Cool.
Of 2x4. All right, I think we've got our game plan. We're gonna start cutting some metal. What did I say?
65.
65 inches.
I about said 67.
65. We may have to put a new blade on this thing. It's original. So we'll cut 2 of these, and then we'll go get some 4x4 and we'll cut the rest of it. All right, so got the mail. Mark sent us jerky. This is like our favorite staple around the shop. So I'm probably not going to share with Hunter.
Oh.
I'll let Sean and
Yeah.
Jace, they can both have some. Hunter, I don't think he's done enough today.
What are you talking
Just
about?
kidding. We're going to eat this up. It looks delicious. Go ahead. That's pretty good jerky.
That's jerky.
Teriyaki or?
This one's original. Scout, you approve?
I'm getting soda though.
Oh, look, we got to do him a trick. Bark. Speak. Speak. You get him to do it.
Scout?
This is Jace's dog.
Speak.
That's how I rate. No one ever listens to me around here.
Did you get it?
It's a little flatter. But it's not moving, so that's all we're getting.
What do you think, Hunter? He's gonna fit right in.
Yeah, I think so.
Favorite tool in the shop. We got Jace down here. He's our designated welder. He's got doors to weld, cage to weld. One down. We're gonna go right at the back, I think.
Do you need it right behind your seat?
I need it fairly close to the seat. Don't die. Good. I think that'll work just fine. Seat's not very good. She's been derbied a couple times. Oh, that's too tall. My helmet on, I'll hit the roof. I want to be back in it because you got your brake you got to put in, the gas pedal. I don't know. That hump on the side's really a pain. That's probably going to be the spot right there, right in front of it. Come and mark that wherever the seat's going to be. This may not be the seat that stays in it. Now I guess we cut this front one. Figure out where it has to be, build the steering.
approved.
Some gap fillers, some rods.
Hey, those aren't bad at all.
What size?
Now we've got to
3/8.
do all the rest of it.
All right, so we've got to go down and find the front bumper and a steering piece that I need for this truck. The problem we got is it's spring runoff. The river's raging right now, so old Red may go swimming. You can get a drive line, some steering parts, and a front bumper. So we'll head out. Is that hub in? Hub's in already.
What if it doesn't even make it to the contest?
Then we win by default. No, looks down. Looks pretty up.
Yeah.
That's what I was saying. What could go? Oh no, it's come down.
It's
some.
come down.
Oh, she's down. She's down a good foot, so we'll just ride on across there. We're gonna go ahead and put her into super hug mode, digger mode. Bed? Oh yeah, it came in the bed. Squirrel. It's like off of Up, where those dogs are just sitting there talking and they're like, squirrel! Squirrel! You have to where the line of water was. Hunter. This was right here. All the way across. Oh, she was deep. Deep. Alright, this is a... Give me the camera.
No,
You
no,
give me the camera.
no. I know how this is
You guys
gonna
have
work.
got this.
You son of a
That
gun.
bumper right there, that's the one I need.
Holy, that's solid.
You guys
Hunter,
get that.
Hunter. At least it's not. Dude. This one. Well,
Yeah.
that we need a freaking winch. You ever
It's
had
a
a
little
hurricane
heavy.
before landed? No?
You're about to.
I have. It sucks.
But yeah, put your back into it, fellas.
Got it. Don't you worry. Wouldn't want to hurt the geriatric in the group.
It's a true story. There's a benefit of being old. And I'm
Not
living
really
it.
that benefit.
I'm benefiting from it. You guys are doing a fine job. Oh! That was almost toes.
Barely got to slide up in there that way. It's heavy.
Good job, fellas.
Now.
Good job. Take that. Somewhere, I thought. See any? I don't think these are the right ones. Steering wheel. I don't think. Where did that go? There's a shifter. That's not what I needed. Seat belt. Not what I'm after. All right, we'll go to the other one and check it out. That one's not the right one either. I guess we got a bumper and a drive line this trip, so we'll figure out what we're gonna do. Oh, we didn't look in the Suburban. Let's look in the Suburban real quick. That looks like that's a bust. I don't see the parts I'm after in here, so we'll carry on. Yeah, put up full drive.
You got it.
That's light too.
Gutter land?
Yep.
I mean, that doesn't have stuff in it at all. That doesn't seem heavy.
Not loaded a bit. Yeah. I feel safe in it.
Yeah.
I like it. Now we just got to engineer this, the back part of this. It's going to be a lot of angles. Yeah.
And you guys thought the green hammer was the biggest one we had in the shop. That's a big one. I didn't even know we had that.
Gonna be good. I'll cut this other one real quick.
Pack it in there.
And we'll have Okay, tack this. Get the top welded.
Okay.
And then we can go for it once it's all tacked in place. There's 2-inch, right? Yeah, that'll work.
Professional welder up here.
Yep, come weld this on. Send her home. Almost touched that on my hand. And then we'll span one from here to there, and the trans cooler will hang off of that one. There's some regulations here. We have to be so far off this side. I think it's like 6 inches, but we're gonna go right here. We're figuring rules out right now. Tires, bumpers. It gets pretty technical on what you can do and what you can't do. So 1 inch from the speaker deck, 4 inch from fender wells. We're good. We're getting it right.
Doing Landon. I'm grinding all the paint off so we can weld a strap over the door, like that crease of the door, so it won't come open. What are you doing?
Ugh, just spend all day cutting 8 of these out. Jace is welding 4 on the roof, and I'm putting.
I think that was a shot at Ben right there.
That was a shot
at Ben's triangle.
I was just trying to get a laugh out of somebody. And if you know how this motor runs, you don't want the cage breaking.
What does that give us for clearance? That gives me 3 inches. That's an inch less than they wanted, but that's good enough. Pretty close.
It's pretty close.
Pretty close. That's how we engineered it. It's that time of the day again because Dar showed up at the shop. So that tells you it's after 6.
Yeah.
But we're on our final weld here. Jason, Sean, I haven't pulled the trigger on the MIG all day today. These two have been slaving away, welding it up. Welded every stitch of this cage in today. So they'll get this finished up. Then all we'll have left is the down bars. Put a steering column in it and the seat, shifter, gas tank. Just a lot. And I think I've got 5 days left to get this car done. So, all right, we're welding our down. Oops. We're welding our down braces in. All right. There's too much blood in my head right now. I gotta wait a minute. My head purple. So the rules allow us 4 down bars. They say they need to be vertical.
And that's vertical off the back.
Vertical is up to me. I mean, any angle up is vertical, right?
Technically. Yeah.
I mean, you guys throw it in the comments. Up is vertical. If it's on a slight angle, it's still going up.
Somewhere right.
Is it lunchtime?
We plasma a hole. If it doesn't fit, we'll cut some more. But that's general idea.
All right, we've had a pretty good day ever. It's time to get out of here. Call it a day. We're done welding. We'll finish the cage tomorrow. So,
Graders, what's going on right now? This was an impromptu lawnmower race, I would say.
I'd say.
Tell us about it.
Today's Soup Town Days in our town, and there's a mower race.
We neglected to work on it until 5 minutes ago. We
But
should have been there 5 minutes ago.
he got her going though.
She's running.
It scared me when the governor got stuck full blast.
So yeah, we're headed to Orderville right now because Soup Down Days are going on, and Graders is gonna race some lawnmowers. That's what any good rednecks do, is they race lawnmowers. Right, guys?
Yeah.
This is actually a dirt lawnmower, but today it's a race lawnmower.
Even more rednecky, we've got a derby lawnmower. You ready?
No, not
Hey, look!
No.
Look, a cameraman
Oh,
and a
hey, look.
cameraman.
Hi, how are you?
This thing weighs 400 pounds. It's a dirty lawnmower.
Woo, great!
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go, buddy, go! Oh, we might have a lap situation. Keep going! She's a ripper.
I won!
Yeah, she's a ripper.
Woohoo! I saw. Was that fun?
Yeah, pretty fun.
Pretty good for just getting that thing going in the last 10 minutes, huh?
All my dad did was fix the governor and I was good.
Catches him on the turns.
It was fun.
I should have got mine done.
Yeah, you should have. Woo!
For first place in the stock, Graydon Cox, $100.
Woo!